Generac 2.2 kW generator quit and gave a 1900 low voltage code, turned it off, and with power restored, I cut power off. I came on and for about 1 height no problem. Any suggestion?
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. What are the model number and serial number of the genset? I don't understand the sentence. I came on and for about 1 height no problem. Can you please explain that?
Model number 65510 SARE ###. The generator came on and ran for about 1 hour. It had no problem. Excuse my big fingers on a small keyboard.
Not a problem. I have the same affliction. That is why I asked for clarification. I didn't want to make any assumptions. The 1900 code, low voltage, means that the genset is no longer producing 240 volts. If it was just a one-time thing, and it does happen occasionally, it may have just had a sticking brush, or there might be a loose wire connection inside somewhere. Check all the wiring to make sure all connections are tight. Otherwise, if it is now working, there is nothing you can do but keep an eye on it.
Thanks, I'll watch it close. I try to let it run for 1 to 2 hours under load every month or so. Have been a little lax lately. Oil and all filters are changed 2 times a year.
As long as it is doing its weekly or bi-weekly exercise, you shouldn't need to put a load on it at all. I don't recommend a monthly exercise, that's a long time in between runs.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.